Hi, I'm Gretchen Rivas with Relax to the Max Massage Therapy, and today we're going to talk about how to make massage oils. Now, when you work with massage oils, you can use just about anything out of your kitchen. If you don't have anything special, you can use olive oil or vegetable oil, canola oil, sweet almond oil. I use fractionated coconut oil that I buy from a lady downtown in Wilmington where I live, but it is also very expensive. So this is just for you to do with a friend, and you're just doing a little bit of massage. You don't have to go buy the expensive stuff. You can just make do with what you have at home. One thing once you do start, so if you're going to add some aromatherapy, you do want to use glass to mix it with, and you measure out 1 or 2 drops at a time. I'm using a little bit of frankincense here, which is one of my favorites. 3 drops of that, maybe a couple drops of vanilla. Just depends on what you like. And so you want to shop for the oils and essential oils that smell good to you and that you think you would like. Remember, less is best. It's better to have a couple drops and add more than too much and make yourself queasy. 3 drops of the vanilla, and then we're going to add a little bit of the oil and mix that up. And then we'll pour that into this container. Now this is just a little container I got. It's the hard plastic. It works. If you're going to make something for longer term use, you do want to use something that's dark. And if you're just making something for the evening, a lighter colored one would be okay. And preferably if you're going to keep it around for a while, like for coughs and colds or things like that, you do want to use a glass bottle if you can. But that's how you make massage oils.